Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to call stored procedure using Edio.NET object. So we have created one procedure named CityInsert to enter the city name in CityMass table. We have also created form to accept city name from user. Now we have created connection and SQL parameter object. Now let's first define the SQL parameter. So we have to write parameter name which is written in stored procedure or name is name. In this parameter value will come from txt city.text. Now create SQL command. cmd is equal to new. In first write stored procedure name where we write query in place we have to write stored procedure name or stored procedure name is city insert and give connection. Now give cmd dot command type is equal to command type dot stored procedure. So now this will act as a stored procedure and add parameter to command add and execute this stored procedure using cmd dot execute non-query. It is very simple to execute stored procedure. It is same like executing query with parameters. Now let's run. Enter city name. I am entering Bhavnagar and click on insert. We can see data is inserted into the table. So this is how we can use stored procedure to insert the data. So this is about how to insert the data using stored procedure by calling the stored procedure using Edio.NET objects like command and SQL parameter. Thank you.